Hi guys, welcome to Toni Creates, and something a bit different, but I thought I'd put it on camera because, you know, being crafters, we do everything. So I got this beautiful teapot that I just love, and it's not properly washed because I'm very gentle with it for this specific reason. I don't even know if you can see that it has a crack going up. I don't know if I can move it somehow. Can you see there's a crack going all the way up here? And I got it from the shop like this, and it was in the sales rack, so I couldn't return it. So I do put tea in it, guys, and I fill it right to the top, and it doesn't leak. So I think the heat maybe, or it's not cracked all the way through. So I decided I wanted to protect it. I just love it. I have my tea, my herbal tea, medicinal herbal tea in it. So I thought I'm going to try it. So I'm going to try a thing, guys. Yeah. So this is called, this is the art of Kintsugi. It's a Japanese art where they embrace flaws and aging and stuff like that. And they I'm sure you've seen it, where they repair pottery with a resin or a something, I don't know. But anyway, so I've got here Evo stick, and it's like an epoxy, so it's a resin, so you mix the two together. So what we're going to do is I've got some gold metallic, so I'm going to mix that in the, now I don't know if it's going to, not so much, but let's just I don't know if it's going to affect my glue. Guys, I got this painted little, it was a box of 4, was multimedia paint. So the other 2, was it, no, the silver doesn't have texture in it, and then there's 2 that have texture in. And you see, this is a very metallic-y, so I'm kind of hoarding it, I know. So I think that'll do us there. Right, now let's hope. So now you just put equal amounts of the epoxy. If you can get it open. This is the hard one. Let's see if I can use this, otherwise we're gonna have to, it is the end of the, when I do this, I'll hold up here, guys. That's where the tube is the strongest. Okay, let's not get any of that same amount, and quickly close that. Okay, now I have a toothpick, and I'm gonna just, oh, there we go, get that all mixed in. So this I think this epoxy glue works. Don't go. So I'm just gonna be very quick, and I'm not gonna go all the way to the top there, because just make sure I've got this mixed in properly, because there we go, that looks like it's start. And I'm just gonna, if I haven't put my microphone on, guys, just realized that now. So you might just hear my blood pressure monitor going off. So I'm just putting like a blob. Now normally I would, you know, go and put this all over, but I don't want to. I'm just going to sort this crack out. Okay. And this one So I hope this works. I just love this. I haven't seen another one like this anywhere else that's glass. I just love it. Now at the top here there were a few chips out. That does feel like I think this is where it's cracked. It's rough there, and so I think I might just put a bit extra here on the top. I don't want to go on the inside. I can feel it's rough on the inside because I don't want to go poison myself with epoxy. I'm not sure how it dries, although I don't really fill it up to the top. I don't fill it up. I think I'm going to put some this side. I think once the stuff is dried, it's dried. It's not, there shouldn't be any seepage into. I'm just gonna do here on the top. I don't fill up water to here, so it should be good. It should be good. And this is, if it works, it works. It doesn't, so it does. If it doesn't work, then we tried. We tried. I've used it several times, but then I saw that it was just a crack. But now there were chips pieces missing, so I thought I'm going to try this. Well, guys, I will put a note down in the comments if it worked. So I'm going to give that a good 24-48 hours to dry, and any fumes to, I don't even need to, it's not running or anything, so I can. This is a Cha and I didn't think to look online. Cha and Co teapot. There we go. So thank you for watching, and I'll let you know if it works. Great idea to fix some of the pieces that you love. Okay guys, thanks some more. And this is just if you look at any epoxy glue that comes into, look for the clear. Obviously I know some of them aren't clear, that you mix the two together. And you know what, I wonder if just plain resin, the resin that you make molds and stuff, if that would have worked. I don't know, but happy days. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheerio now. Quick update, guys. My repair seems to be working. It's there's nothing on the inside. Put my finger there. Of course, because it's glass, I still treat it fragilely. So yeah, it's working away. Happy days. So of course, when I wash it, I just, you don't really rinse out it. Yeah, just rinse it with warm water and have it ready for tomorrow. Anyway, guys, yes, cheers. See you soon. Cheerio now.